SMA inverters come with an excellent web data portal. The portal allows system owners to track consumption and generation over the lifetime of the system. But what if you want to extract data in bulk to analyse it in a reporting tool like Power BI?
Well, one option is to log into the portal and download CSV files. Each day's data download gives good information about what the system was doing. But to get to the next file, we have to do a few mouse clicks. And for a longer time range, such as a year, quite a few more mouse clicks.
Is there a way to get this data in bulk? Well, currently it seems not from the SMA portal itself. The monthly and yearly CSV data covers a longer time period, but it's not as granular as the daily data. And whilst the inverter itself stores some granular data, it doesn't contain the full history. We can, however, use Microsoft Power Automate to download data from the portal in bulk by simulating the clicks we would otherwise have to do ourselves. There are 3 steps to achieve this. Firstly, download and install Power Automate. Secondly, set up the flow. And thirdly, run the flow.
First, let's go to the Microsoft website to get Power Automate. It's a free download. Once the download is finished, we need to install Power Automate on our machine. Once Power Automate is installed, we then set up the flow. The first step is to attach Power Automate to a browser instance. Here we're using Chrome browser. We've already logged into the SMA portal. This login could also be automated, but it's a quick once-off step. Now we've got the portal screen open, we want to tab back to Power Automate and press the record button. Now Power Automate opens the browser for us, and we see another record button. We'll go ahead and click that one. Now Power Automate is recording all of our steps. So we do what we'd usually do in the portal, which is to click the download link, wait for the download, and then to move to the previous day, we click the left arrow. We can see Power Automate has captured all of the steps we did in the browser. Now we want to add a loop to the flow. In the loop configuration, we add the number of times we want Power Automate to iterate. For example, for a full year's worth of data, we put in 365. We can clean up any junk steps we inadvertently recorded in the browser. And then we want to move all of the remaining steps to the inside part of the loop. Once we're happy with the flow, we can hit the Save button. Now we've created the flow, we can run it. As the flow is running, we can see the CSV data files building up in our local downloads folder. Once the flow has finished executing, we should have all the files we need. We can now analyse these files in Power BI or another tool of our choosing. We point to the folder data source in Power BI. Now we can point to the path where all our CSV files are sitting. Power BI detects all of our CSV files and we click Transform Data to get this into a usable format. We click on the binary link in the content column and we can see the contents of a file.
In conclusion, yes, we can get bulk granular data from the SMA Sunny Portal website and save ourselves a whole lot of clicking by using Power Automate. Thanks for watching the video.